Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your computer without downloading the app. Many players prefer the convenience of accessing their favorite games directly through a web browser. This method allows you to jump into the action quickly, bypassing the need for a separate application installation. We'll cover the simple steps to get started and ensure you have a smooth gaming experience right from your browser. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of fun. To begin, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Navigate to the official Roblox website by typing roblox.com into the address bar. Once on the homepage, you will need to log into your existing Roblox account or create a new one if you don't have one already. After logging in, you can browse the vast library of games and select any experience to start playing directly within your browser window. While playing Roblox in your browser is convenient, there are a few key considerations. Ensure your browser is up to date for optimal performance and security. Some older browsers might not fully support all game features. You might also encounter a prompt to install a small, temporary plugin the first time you launch a game, which is necessary for the game engine to run. Performance can vary based on your internet speed and computer specifications, so a stable connection is crucial. For the best browser-based Roblox experience, consider using a modern, high-performance browser. A stable internet connection with at least 25 megabits per second download speed is highly recommended to minimize lag and loading times. Closing unnecessary browser tabs and other applications can free up system resources, further enhancing your gameplay. Adjusting in-game graphics settings to a lower quality can also significantly improve performance if you experience any choppiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.